Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the general characteristics of animals of phylum Arthropoda. As you are aware that arthropods are one of the most successful and most abundant animals on this planet Earth, their body is completely covered with an exoskeleton made up of cuticle. Cuticle is actually, it is constructed by multiple layers of proteins and polysaccharides, which is known as chitin. Now, this cuticle can be thick at most of the body part, but it can be thin at some parts, especially the joints. Now, this rigid exoskeleton provides security, and it helps them to avoid the predators which try to kill and prey these animals. Now, uh, other than the protection, at some part, especially at the point of attachment of muscles, this exoskeleton also helps them in the attachment. When we talk about the body of the arthropods, it is segmented, which gives it infinite possibilities of adaptive modifications. As you can see here, scorpion, this is a typical arthropod. Its body is composed of different joints and it has segments. So you can see that almost every part of its body is segmented. So this segmentation, it gives them a lot of modification and the possibilities of modifications. Then you can see the paired joint appendages. They are also present in these animals, which are very much adaptable, help them in walking, swimming, feeding, flying, breathing, and in different senses. Other than that, they have very well developed head, which is present on the front side, and it contains numerous sense organs, especially the presence of antenna on their head and compound eyes, which are very specialized eyes. These are the characteristic sense organs of arthropods and help them in the better adaptations. When we talk about the body structure of arthropods, it is bilaterally symmetrical, which means that the right side of the body is just like the left side of their body. Now, when we talk about the muscular system, it has very complex muscular system, which contains layers of muscles which are present around their internal organs. Then when we talk about their digestive tract, it's very complex organs, and it gives them numerous feeding appendages and feeding opportunities, like different appendages present near the mouth. It helps them to capture the food and take it inside the mouth. Then it has specialized areas for the grinding of the food, then for the storage of food. Then they have accessory glands, very specialized glands, which secrete certain enzymes and digestive juices and help them in the absorption of nutrients. Let me give you the example of termites, which is a very common arthropod present in the houses. It feeds on the dry wood. So dry wood, as you can see, that they secrete specialized enzymes which digest this dry wood, and it helps them to get nutrients from that as well. Other than that, they have very well developed respiratory system, which could include gills if they live in the water bodies. Then it has lungs as well as specialized trachea, which help them in the exchanges of gases. Then when we talk about the circulatory system, they have open circulatory system, and their blood is called as hemolymph. This hemolymph is pumped through a specialized organ named as heart, and it is pumped into large veins, and those veins, they empty their hemolymph in their internal body where internal organs are present. So hemolymph floats, bathing those internal organs so that the exchange of food or the gases takes place. So it has an open circulatory system. They also have a nervous system which comprises dorsal brain and a double nerve cord with pair ganglia in each segment. Other than that, they also have ventral nervous system in their body as well. When we talk about the excretory system, they have also efficient excretory system through green glands and Malpighian tubules, just like the nephrons in the kidneys of humans. They work just like that, and they are quite efficient in this process. Now, most of the arthropods, they are dioecious, which means that male and female animals are separate. So they are not hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite is a condition in which the same individual has male and female reproductive organs. But in this case, most of them, they are dioecious. And in their developmental stages, they have a lot of varieties. For example, their larvae go through multiple metamorphic developments and becomes an adult, just like the example of fly or butterfly you can take. The butterfly, you can see they have caterpillars at some stage, then they have larvae, and then they have pupa, and the adult is a butterfly with the beautiful wings. So they have quite metamorphic changes throughout their life cycle.